Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GIT Resolution, and this is your host. Friends, most common problem with the smartphone is found with battery drain issue. Today in this video I will show you 8 amazing tips to save battery of your smartphone. Tips number 1. Sleep mode of your phone. In this step you need to set your phone's sleep mode time as minimum as available. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on display. Now tap on sleep, and from here you need to select as minimum as time available here. Tip number 2. Turn off vibrator while using phone. In this step you need to change the setting of using vibrator. What all you need to do, use ringtone instead of using vibrator for incoming calls. Simply press volume up and down key and adjust volume as per your requirement. Now tap on settings, scroll down, tap on sound and notifications, scroll down, now tap on other sounds, and you need to turn off vibrate on touch from here. Tip number 3. Turn off live wallpaper. Instead of it, use simple black wallpapers. In this step what all you need to do, go to settings, scroll down, tap on display, now tap on wallpapers, now tap on photos, and choose any black wallpaper from media gallery. Now set this wallpaper. Tip number 4. Brightness. Set your phone brightness to auto brightness. Simply swipe your phone screen downward from top 2 times and select auto from here. Tip number 5. Close all running background applications. What all you need to do? Press and hold home key and close unused applications from here which you do not want to use soon again. Now go to settings, scroll down, tap on battery and power saver, scroll down, and you need to force stop unused applications which are running in background. Like I am going to force stop Hungama application. Simply tap on the application and you need to tap on force stop. Tip number 6. Auto updates. You need to turn off auto updates. What all you need to do, go to your Play Store. Now tap on setting options. Scroll down. Now tap on settings. Now tap on auto update app and select do not auto update apps. Tip number 7. Disable unwanted network connection like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and hotspot. What all you need to do, go to settings, tap on mobile data usage, turn off mobile data usage if you are not using it. Now go back, now tap on tethering and portable hotspot, and you need to turn off hotspot and Bluetooth tethering if you are not using them. Now go back, now tap on Bluetooth, and you need to turn off Bluetooth if Bluetooth is not in use. Tip number 8. Turn on power saving mode. To turn on power saving mode, you need to go to settings, scroll down, tap on battery and power saver. Now again tap on battery and power saver. And you need to turn on smart power saving mode from here. After all these settings, if you are not able to use longer battery life, you can use tip number 9. What all you need to do? Go to your Play Store. In the search bar, type power saver. These are some third-party applications which will help you to save your battery life. You can install and use any of these applications. Friends, I really hope you fully enjoyed this helpful video. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon with the next video.